Hello children. I don't know, I'm just in that Oliver. So we just fed Oliver, and today finally the groom is going to get some attention. We are going to go for his outfit, and this is how his mood is, because all we care about is the bride and not about the groom.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, today I've come to terms with a very big, sad truth. Yesterday when we went to buy sari for her, 9 of us, how many? 9 of us went to pick 2 saris for her. And when I said, okay, now since our saris are finalized, I need to go buy my outfits, material or whatever. Go Commercial Street, Shivajinagar, you'll find. Go buy, they said. So, we men are very pavam. We are demanded to love, but we are never given love. The expectation on us is so high that they fail to understand that we are human beings who
You do realize I have the power of editing.
But the nation needs to know, the men out there who have gone through what I'm going through needs to know that we are all pavam.
I'm just going to edit all of this out. So right now we are going to pick Marissa.
No,
Marissa has work, so she's going to come a little later. But now we are just going
to Raymond's.
Only I'm coming with him.
Yeah, because no one else cares. You have to come. No other option. You're getting married to me.
This is one thing he keeps blackmailing me with. But yeah, we are going to go buy material because he wants. If Paul Deepak is so picky with my sari, imagine how he must be with his outfit. So we just decided that the best thing to do is just buy materials and stitch it the way he wants it to be stitched. So right now we are going to Raymond's, I think, to check out some materials, and I will vlog you guys there. I don't know, in sari shops they don't let us vlog, but I hope here in material shop they'll let us vlog. What are we going to do? Copy materials. So yeah. We had to go so far for his material, guys. Like, my god, the drive was really difficult. This is 2 minutes from my house.
That's all. For your sari, where and all we went.
What is this?
Style. For your sari, where and all we went. For me, here only. Third one. Third one and second one.
You like that?
Isn't it okay? Will it go with your outfit?
He's walking like that because I shouted at him saying that he's walking like one rowdy. But did I expect Paul Deepak to go to one store and pick up materials? No. We have to at least go to 15 stores before we like something. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Wear your mask. So dramatic. And they say that girls are dramatic.
This is periwinkle. This is very good if you boil it and make it into a tea for people who are fighting cancer. This is called periwinkle. Show them the...
That will help.
It does. This with sauerkraut, please. You know it's worth when
Can you
you're
wear
desperate.
a mask?
You know it's worth when you're desperate.
She'll come running. Marissa, say hi to the vlog. What is that, Marissa? Say hi vlog. They don't know how much you talk. Marissa, it's really nice to know that we care a little about Paul Deepak enough to come for his shoppings.
Oh, me? happen that way.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Okay, so were we able to find something for Paul Deepak?
No.
You all answer. Ruined it. You all answer in the comments, and if you answer no, then you're absolutely right. We spent one whole day trying to find the perfect material and all of that, and
We didn't spend the whole day. We left at 3 o'clock to a restaurant where we spent 1.5 hours eating with Marissa, and then left to Com Street. Found nothing, and now going to church.
so it's a fail today. And now we're just waiting. Marissa wanted to pick up something from her house. Ma, she's coming with one whole bag, ma.
She's running away.
Ma, don't say such things in the vlog, ma. She runs away, they'll think we had something to do with it. Marissa, in the vlog, he's told that she's running away.
Yeah, I meant she's running away from all the stress in life.
I like how Marissa just doesn't respond to all this.
I like how you keep cutting me every time I'm saying something. Oh my gosh, what a terrible laugh that was.
Why are you judging my laugh? You have no
Show
gosh,
guys
what
what
all
my life
Miriam
is
has
every
been
day.
through, no?
Marissa, don't forget what I've been through with you for all of
No,
these
not like
years.
that. There are many nights when we've sat and called. Oh, in that case, even I've sat through your fight.
No, we hardly fight. You are the culprit. You're the black sheep in our relationship. It is because of you that we
Not
fight.
you're not the common denominator.
You. No.
You
From
fight
where?
with her and then you fight with me.
From where you
Between-
came? Hold on. You came
Between
into.
I have
You're the
no
kebab
choice.
mein haddi in
But
our
you-
relationship.
But you are the common denominator.
Yes, I am the common denominator that brought both of you together, but you're the kebab mein haddi.
It doesn't matter what
does.
I am. You are the one who causes fights.
Why will I fight? We don't fight at all.
Of course you'll fight.
No, we
Yes,
don't.
Miriam.
Yes,
Don't pull her into this. She's innocent.
See how he
See, maybe I support you. You have to take my side.
Thanks, ma. Thanks.